Man in suit speaks. Text: James B. Milliken, President.
As we wrap up 2025, I've been reflecting on what a year it's been for the University of California.
Students talk on steps, work at whiteboard.
A year that truly showed why UC is a beacon of innovation, of discovery, and hope.
Lecturer addresses students. Man works with lab equipment. Researchers examine marine life. Graduate with family. Students walk on campus, on path.
This year, we admitted our largest class of California first-year students.
Students walk past, on a lawn. Student walks past a building. Crowd with balloons and man.
And our youngest campus, UC Merced, achieved two huge milestones, celebrating its 20th anniversary and earning the prestigious R1 research designation.
Man takes selfie with students. Graduates run cheering. Mascot takes selfie with students. Woman examines jar, works with lab equipment. Two men in hazmat suits. Woman teaches dental hygiene to adults. Nurses with baby.
UC also expanded healthcare access all across California, while our local partnerships help strengthen food security for families.
Medical staff walk in hallway. Students with robot in field. Man operates robot in field. Farmers hold garlic. Man in suit speaks to camera. Scientist holds white bags.
In October, UC set a world record for the most Nobel Prizes ever awarded to faculty at any institution in a single year. Innovation was everywhere.
3 Nobel laureates. Portraits. Robot solves Rubik's Cube. Students watch robot. Surgeons perform surgery.
At UCLA, surgeons performed the first human bladder transplant.
Hospital hallway. CT scanner. Hospital room.
UC Irvine Health opened the nation's first all-electric acute care hospital.
Unique building exterior. Dog presses button with paw.
At UC San Diego, researchers showed us how dogs can communicate with us through buttons.
Dog looks up at hand, presses buttons on phone. Man in suit speaks to camera. Brain diagrams on laptop.
UC faculty and alumni also landed 13 spots on Time's Best Inventions of 2025.
Man in beanie talks to doctor. Man skateboards in park.
From a deep brain stimulation treatment that helped a Parkinson's patient get back on his skateboard, to a compostable seaweed-based alternative to plastic bags.
Man skateboards. Machine prints seaweed bags. Underwater kelp. Hands open seaweed bag. Man speaks.
What really makes UC shine is our students, our faculty, and our staff.
Wildfire at night. Smoke over hills. Orange sky over city.
When wildfires hit Los Angeles County in January, UC first responders were on the front lines, and the campus opened its doors to evacuees.
Fire truck drives. At night fire. Man pushes cart. Men shake hands. Discuss documents. Mammography van. Machine. Man gives laptop to woman.
At UC Davis, nurses offered free community mammograms. And UC Riverside's Jamal Myrick delivered 115 laptops to students in Guyana, expanding access to education half a world away. And UC alumni?
Man gives laptops to man. In suit speaks to camera. Grid of 6 alumni portraits. Woman sings with guitar.
They continue to make us proud. From 6 MacArthur Genius Grant winners to Grammy Award winner Gillian Welch, to Dave Roberts, who led the Los Angeles Dodgers to yet another World Series win.
Baseball coach cheers. Baseball player slides into base, celebrates. Coach hugs player. Team celebrates. Woman works in lab. Ballet dancers practice. Students play foosball.
In all these ways, and in so many more, the University of California is lighting the way forward and bringing hope to the future.
Woman hosts podcast. Harvests plants. Students play guitar, laugh. Man in suit talks with people, smiles.
I'm proud to be part of this community. I can't wait to see what next year brings.
Man in suit speaks to camera. University of California logo.
Fiat Lux, let there be light.